Welcome to the gluten-free recipes. Today we are going to cook a quick and easy dessert containing noodles, nuts and cranberries. Add a teaspoon of salt to the boiling water and then add 300 grams of gluten-free noodles, then boil them for 2 to 3 minutes. After boiling them, you will need to rinse the noodles under cold water. Add the noodles to a wok with 100 grams of sugar, 15 grams of margarine, 150 grams of grinded walnuts, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 30 grams of raisins and 30 grams of cranberries. Enjoy this meal and don't forget to like this video. I'll see you in the next one.